Hi, in this video we will see how do we find the square root of a number by prime factorization method. Prime factorization, we all know, is dividing a number by all the prime factors till we get a 1. So let us see an example. Suppose we have to find out the square root of 64. So we will prime factorize 64. 2 goes 32 times, 16 times, 8 times, 4 times, 2 times, and then 1 time. So 64 can be written as 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times 2. If we have to find the square root of 64, we need to form the pairs of all the prime factors. And out of every pair, one number, one factor will come out of the square root sign. So we have 3 pairs of factor 2 and hence 3 2's will come out of the square root sign to give the square root of 64 as 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Let us see one more example. We have to find the square root of 484. We will be prime factorizing 484. So on prime factorizing, 2 goes to 42 times, 121. 121 is 11 square, so 11 goes 11 times and 1 time. So square root of 484 can be written as 2 times 2 times 11 times 11. Fine. And let's pair the factors, and out of each pair we will take out one factor out. So 1 2 comes out of the square root sign and 1 11 comes out of a square root sign. 2 times 11 gives us a 22. So square root of 484 is 22. So I hope this technique of finding the square root of a number is very clear to everyone. Now, it also helps us to determine whether a given number is a perfect square number or not. So what is a perfect square number? Let us see. If we have a number, say 625. Okay, let us prime factorize 625. So 5 ones are, 5 twos are, and 5 fives are, 5 25s are, 5 fives are, and 5 ones are. 625 is written as 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Let us form the pairs. So we have one pair of 5 and another pair of 5. This can be written as 5 square. 5 times 5 is 5 square and 5 times 5 is again a 5 square, which can be written as 5 times 5 whole square, which is nothing but a 25 square. Correct? So we are able to write 625 as the square of 25, and hence 625 is a perfect square number. So we will be prime factorizing the number and we will be seeing if all the factors are coming in pairs, then that given number is a perfect square number. So all prime factors should come in pairs. If that is the case, then the given number is a perfect square number. Let's do one more question here. Try to find out whether 2025 is a perfect square number or not. We will be prime factorizing 2025 first to find out all the prime factors. '81 goes by 3. We prime factorize 2025 and we see that 2025 is 5 times 5 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So we have a pair of 5, we have a pair of 3, we have a pair of 3. And since all the factors are coming in pairs, we see that 2025 is a perfect square number. The answer is yes. And it's square of which number? Let us see. So 5 into 5 is 5 square. 3 into 3 is 3 square. And this is again a 3 square. Correct? This can be written as 5 times 3 times 3 whole square, which is nothing but 45 square. So 2025 is a square of 45, or in other words, square root of 2025 is equal to 45, and it's a perfect square number because all the prime factors are coming in pairs. Let us take an example where the given number is not a perfect square number. Let us try to determine whether 63 is a perfect square or not. By prime factorization, first we'll prime factorize 63. Okay, so 63 written as the product of the prime factors is 3 times 3 times 7. Let's try to form the pairs of 3. So we have one pair here of 3, and this number 7, the factor 7, does not have a pair. Okay, the pair of 7 is missing. All the prime factors do not come in pairs, then that number is not a perfect square number. So we see that 63 is not a perfect square number because the pair of 7 is missing. Is that clear? So by prime factorization, we can see which all are the prime factors of a given number, and if all the prime factors are coming in pairs, then that particular number is a perfect square number. Otherwise, it is not a perfect square number. So I hope how to find the square root of a number using prime factorization technique and how to determine whether a given number is a perfect square number or not is very clear to everyone. If you have any doubts regarding this video, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.